the start of Sant'Agata. George is trying to get in contact. Look at these balloons. I want one of these balloons. They're hearts and they light up. Oh my god.
That is so worth it.
So we're just on the way to the fireworks. We'll be there soon, hopefully. It's absolutely packed. So packed. Georgie Con.
Hi.
Tell me about your reaction to Sant'Agata.
Losing my Sant'Agata virginity. It was so good. Like, I've never seen fireworks that lasted so long and were still so good every single time, because they came with like songs. So it was like after a song you thought it might end, and then it just got better and better and better. It just kept going. It was so good. And the last bit was the best because fireworks kind of moved from over here to here.
Yeah,
and then
so
we could see them
everything.
because before they were kind of behind the building.
So now we're at Ralph Natal to get some vino and some treats.
Minus the vino at the moment. Autobiographical journal, it calls it.
Buon appetito!
Buon appetito.
Yeah.
My food looks red,
Yeah, me too. Everything's red.
like blood red.
You're red.
Hi.
Hey guys, how are you? It's Saturday. Is it Saturday? No, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. Yesterday we went to the fireworks, so today we are gonna go and have a little look around. Like, it's like a 3-day festival. It's about their patron saint Sant'Agata. So like they go all out. So we're just gonna go and have a little look around today. The whole city is mobbed. If you saw yesterday, we were literally wedged like sardines. So it's like 2 million people in the city. So we're just gonna have a little look around and might go for a coffee or something. We don't really want to be squished in the crowds. Tomorrow is the actual day for Sant'Agata, the 5th of February. So we're gonna go to that. I know we will be squished again tomorrow, but we're gonna have to get there like earlier than yesterday. Yesterday we got there about an hour and a half earlier, and we were like, we couldn't see anything at the start, and then we moved back, and then we got to see a little bit more. But no, it was amazing. The fireworks were just amazing. I love them. So I will see you in a bit.
Lovely. Enjoy, darling. Got you some decaf.
This one, I think that'll be like so cool.
Show me. Show me your Instagram.
No.
Her Insta's really, really nice.
It's getting there.
With this baby. She good. I love it.
It's alright. It's not too bad.
I think I'm allowed so pretty. Etna is supposed to be there, but of course the clouds are only covering that.
Yeah, the only thing you want to see.
It's completely covered. If you can see, it starts there and ends there. So it's quite big. We're at the top. Look at that view. So that's Piazza Duomo, where all the fireworks were last night. Here's the Duomo. And there's the port. And there's Frou-Frou.
Hey.
They're selling these candles everywhere for Sant'Agata, and these are like
Sant'Agata.
Happy Sant'Agata Day. Do they even say that?
I'm gonna make it a thing. I'm gonna tell
Sant'Agata
everyone.
Day.
I'm gonna be like, Happy Sant'Agata Day.
So they've this crap on the ground. It's actually kind of nice.
Yeah. They've literally just got the floor wet. They've driven past with this massive truck, like spilling water everywhere, and now they've covered it with chipping.
And like suds.
It's gonna be so hard to get rid of.
I know. So yeah, we're on our way to get. Oh wait, the restaurant is this way.
Oh,
Yeah, we're going getting food.
Very picturesque. Hi. Oh, there's a menu for you. What it means to rain today?
Currently raining. It's quite interesting. They're all so amazing. Look at all that detail.
C'è un spazio alla via di Gordoni e viva
Hello, I am in my room. It is the 7th of what month is it? February. It's the 7th of February, and I just cleaned my whole room because we're having a going away party for Georgia because she's leaving on Friday and I'm so sad. So I just cleaned my room just in case people needed to use my room as like a little like lounge area, because my room is practically a lounge. It's mad how big my room is. I'll give you like a sneak little peeking of it. Like I have these this like little area where you can come and sit down, and I love how antique the couch and stuff is. That's it's a bit messy, but I cleaned as much as I could. My bed, some pictures, my mirror.
Suitable for shooting a moving object.
Yeah. Got it. Okay, move. I'm gonna take a picture. Cookies. Oh my god. Beautiful. This is Simona. She's my other housemate. You already know Georgie Corn. She's gorgeous. Where'd you get your skirt?
It's her
My skirt. Skirt. In Italian?
gonna.
Gonna.
Questa è una gonna
Sì.
e questa è una stupida.
Una stupidina.
Thank you.
Una bella stupidina.
Una bella stupida, ha fatto un complimento.
Non è vero.
Cosa stai facendo?
Un video.
Ciao belle ragazze. I love you. Frou. What?
She's calling you.
She's saying.
Not for much longer.
So you
can keep me inside the pocket.
We're having a 1 minute. We're having the last day
in Catania
with Frou
for Georgia.
with our Frou.
With the fruit.
With our Frou.
It's terrible
And
times.
Simona.
Leaving us. Domani alle 3 parto per sempre. Per sempre,
Forever.
Non è un
I'll
addio.
put subtitles so not everyone in Ireland would know.
Hello, Instagram stories.
Hello.
Baby love.
Well, that was odd. I just got the best angle.
우리 오가 없어라가로 저쪽에 quando lo è.